This is my second time filming this video. The first time, I didn't like the way it turned out. Didn't even like the way I did my makeup, so I decided to do it again.
Yo, son of the banger from his sound producer.
I'm a go-getter, money on my mind, I don't know better. I'm trying to get rich, I ain't focused on the bitch. I get the bread in, then I split with my clique. Yeah. I'm a go-getter, money on my mind, I don't know better. I'm trying to get rich, I ain't focused on the bitch. I get the bread in, then I split with my clique. Money on my mind, so I have to chase it. Bad bitch, she got my songs on a playlist. I spit truth, I ain't speaking on no fake shit. Never that, I'm about whatever.
I have on my makeup stuff. I'm gonna fix this. This is my second time filming this video. The first time, I didn't like the way it turned out. Didn't even like the way I did my makeup, so I decided to do it again.
Ciao. Anyway, so
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, it is my first ever makeup routine. This video has been very highly requested by a lot of the girls who watch my channel, so I was like, let me just film one. So this is the look I got. If you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching, because baby girl, basically I just want to put out a quick disclaimer. I am no way, shape or form a makeup artist. This is just how I do my makeup. This is what works for me. So if you guys want to find out how I achieved this, then keep on watching. This is what we got going on here. Like, I'm gonna take you from looking cute, looking like a baby, to looking like, I don't know, you be just looking better than this. So basically, I'm gonna show you, this is like my bare face. And yeah, basically, first step, I did this off camera, but moisturize. Make sure your skin is moisturized before you start doing your makeup. And it makes your base come out more smooth, and it makes your base look more like skin. So always moisturize before you start your makeup. I'm gonna start off by doing my brows. To do my brows, I use, am I out of breath? Hold on.
ciao. Anyway, so
I use an eyebrow pencil. I used to use a pomade, but I don't anymore. I use an eyebrow pencil from the African shop. It's just any ordinary pencil, like it's nothing special. Just drawing a line at the bottom. We got this going on. We're gonna do one at the top. We have this sort of look going on. So I'll put the camera back the way it was before. And I'm just gonna do like thin lines to fill this in. We got this going on. My eyebrows are looking a little bit different. I'm trying to like match it up, but tired. It's hard. Give me a second. Concealer. To conceal, I just use an ordinary flat brush from AliExpress. I usually use LA Girl to conceal, but mine's running out. I need to get a new one. So I'm just using Max Factor. It's a foundation, basically. It's my mom's shade. I'm using this really light shade to like carve underneath my brows, and to do on top, I'm going to use a slightly darker one. This is my everyday reality, where one eyebrow looks beautiful and the other one turns out looking like shit. Now I'm getting a foundation brush. It's kind of wet because I washed these yesterday. Now I'm going to do the top, and to conceal the top of my eyebrows, I use a darker one. It's the same foundation in 85 Max Factor. It's really nice. It's a really natural looking foundation, so it's pretty. Yesterday. So this is what we got going on top. Now I'm just gonna go back in with the lighter one and just again do that, because I just love when my eyes look bright. Next step is foundation. Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the color F13, and I just use a foundation brush, an ordinary foundation brush, nothing special about it, and I just put the foundation on. Don't forget that I moisturized my face before I started. Always moisturize your face if you want your base to turn out flawless. Down. I don't really blend the foundation going under my eyes because it makes, there's no point because I'm putting concealer there anyways, and the less product you put there, the less your under eye is gonna crease. So this is the base. Looks like skin, if I do say so myself. I always like really blend it in here because I don't want creases. So basically, I just put my concealer like this in a triangle type of way, just like this, down my nose and bring it up here again for extra, you know. I put it here. I do put it on my nose piercing, but it kind of like, I don't know, by the time I finish my makeup it's not really there, but if it is there, I just take it off with a wipe or micellar water, micellar, however you they like to call it. Whatever they like to call it, that's what I do. Take it off, and yeah. So I learned this off one Instagram makeup person, but if you put on your concealer like going up instead of bringing it all the way out, it gives your face a more like up look. Do you get what I'm saying? So I used to just put concealer like bring it all the way out, but it's actually better if you bring it up instead of well. Now I'm gonna go in with a beauty blender and blend this in. So yeah, this is what we got going on here. As you can see, my base is looking pretty cute. It's looking pretty, it's looking, my face is looking snatched. Now we're going to go in with, what do they call this? Contour. Yeah, this is basically a dark concealer. It's from Penny's. I don't really like it because it's not creamy, but it does the job. So yeah, I basically just do that. Bring it up so your face looks more it just makes your jawline pop more. And then I'm going to just put this, I don't really like doing on my forehead. Well, I was watching a makeup tutorial yesterday, and this girl's makeup, ooh, it just turned out really nice because she did this. So I'm just gonna do it. She did it, and I'm just doing those contour now. Yeah. So when I blend it, it looks a bit crazy at first, but then it just comes together. But I'm using this brush, the same brush I used to do this, doesn't matter. And I just blend this thing going up and in circular motions. So I know I look crazy, but bear with me. Blending up, dragging it up your face to give your face a little bit of a highlighted look. I brought this a bit too. So obviously this is what we got going on here. If you feel like the lines are too harsh, the beauty blender that you use to do your concealer, just do it on the sides and it makes it look better. So yeah. Now, my favorite part. We're gonna contour the nose. And basically what I do is I just get, it's like an eyeshadow brush but not really. I just bring this down my nose just like that. Nothing complicated. And we gotta really blend this out. Now I'm just gonna blend the concealer on my nose. I pinch the beauty blender to do so. And just, it looks like that. Obviously I still need to blend this in. We're not done yet. And so this is how my base is looking. So far, so good. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to set my eyes before I do the eyeliner, and I'm gonna set. It doesn't really. This brush, it doesn't matter. So it's just for the powder, anyways. So set there. These brushes are kind of wet, so. If your eyeliner turns, if you make a mistake with your eyeliner, it's alright. Don't cry about it, because you can obviously go in with concealer when you're done. Now it's time for my, I don't know how I'll rate this one, but it's like one of my favorite things to do. But it's called baking. Well, not baking, setting. So I'm gonna start with a foundation brush. Y'all, I might be using the wrong brushes for different things, but it gets the job done. Ishe, see I'm putting this thing everywhere. Yup. Just go on my top. I'm just gonna put this here so it doesn't get on the top, because and press the powder into your skin, just like that. Press, 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 press. Looking crazy. That's okay. Yeah. Well. And here's the brush. I'm going to dust this off. My Revolution Pro palette is broke because my sister smashed it, but we're gonna go in with this bottom shade. I believe it's called Upper Hand. Yeah, it's called Upper Hand. Blow it out and just shit. I'm gonna do a mess up. And I'm gonna go in with a little bit of blush and just bring it up. And we got this. So this is the base so far. Since that's done, I love bright under eyes a lot. So I'm just gonna go in with this translucent powder and just sweep that under my eye. So now I'm gonna set using the Rimmel water. I wanted to give away a shot. I'm gonna set using this. So this is what we got going on. Accidentally ate this thing. And now my second favorite part is to line our lips. I'm using the same pencil that I use for my eyebrows, so I'm just going to line my lips. I just go with the actual shape of my lips. As you can see, I have big lips already, so we got this. These lashes are from AliExpress. They're cute and whatever. So I'm gonna just put the glue on the lash. I'm gonna stick on my lashes now. So this is what we have here. I just took on my lashes. My last step is, let me just do it on my nose.
Purchase your track today.
Eyeshadow highlighter. Y'all, I already know what I'm saying, but this is that. done. This is the finished look. So yeah, I think it looks really cute. I think it looks really cute. Everything is just looking nice. My face looks snatched. Ignore the mess over here. This is the mess that I have to go through to get my face looking like this. It's worth it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you want to see more makeup related videos, obviously like this video, comment, and yeah, get this video. Actually, let me not do that. Get this video to, I feel like we can do 100 likes. Get this video to 100 likes if you want to see another makeup tutorial. And if you want to see any more makeup related videos, obviously tell me in the comments, message me on Snapchat, message me on Instagram. My handles are gonna be on the screen and in the description. But if you want to see more makeup tutorials just like this one, then subscribe. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Mannequin the